Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register a Skrill account. First of all, visit the Skrill website or download the Skrill app from your app store to get started. On the home page, click the register button. This will take you to the sign up form. Now enter your country name and currency. After that, email address, your personal details like your full name and a strong password. Make sure to select the correct country and currency for your account. Okay. Check the box to agree to Skrill's terms and conditions. Then click register. Check your email inbox for a message from Skrill. Click the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email, log into your account and complete your profile by adding details like your phone number and address. This skill may ask for additional verification for security purposes. And that's it. Your Skrill account is now ready. You can add funds, send money, and shop online in no time. Thanks for watching.